Hello everyone, my name is Atish and topic of this learning video comes under the topic named as matrices. And the topic that we are going to learn in this learning dialogue is rank of a matrix. So rank of a matrix may be a very familiar topic, but the things that we are going to learn in this learning dialogue is quite different. You might have found out the rank of a matrix by using the elementary transformations, but in this learning dialogue, you will learn how minors plays an important role to find out the rank of a matrix. So without much ado, let us see the definition of rank of a matrix. So the rank of a matrix A is said to be R if there exists at least one non-zero minor of order R and all the minors of order higher than R are 0. So suppose we have a matrix of order say 2 by 4 and we have found out a minor of order 2, and if that minor of order 2 is non-zero, then what would be the rank? The rank of that matrix would be 2, and all the minors other than all the minors of order higher than 2 must be 0. Then the next thing is the rank of a matrix is denoted by row of A or R of A or rank of A. So before we start by taking example, I would like to make a remark over here, and the remark is about the rank of a matrix. Okay, so the rank of a matrix cannot be 0 unless a matrix is itself 0. Only 0 matrix has its rank 0. All the non-zero matrix has rank at least 1. It may be greater than 1 also, but minimum rank of a matrix should be 1. So this is the remark, you should know about it. Okay, so without wasting much time, let us take an example. So the question 1 is find the rank of a matrix. So here is the matrix A is equal to 4 0 1 1 5 2. Now what is the rank of this matrix? The rank of this matrix is, yes, how many rows are there? 1 2. And how many column? 1 2 3. So what is the order of this matrix? 2 by 3, or we write it as 2 cross 3. Okay, what is the next thing we have to do? We just have to find out the minors, and as the matrix is of order 2 by 3, the minors will be of the order 2 by 2, or we simply say minors of order 2. So what are the minors one can take? 4 0 1 1, that is one minor of order 2, another 4 0 5 2, that is another minor, and 1 1 5 2. So how many minors we are getting in this learning in this example? We are getting 3 minors of order 2. Okay, so these are the minors. Now try to calculate it. What is the determinant of this? 4 into 1 minus 0 4. 4 to the 8 minus 0 is 8. 2 ones are 2 minus 1 into 5 5. 2 minus 5 is minus 3. So as you can see, we have taken 3 minors of this matrix and all the minors are 0. How many non-zero minors we want? We want at least 1, but we are getting here 3. Okay, so what is the rank of this matrix A, or what we can say about the rank of this matrix? As all the minors of these are non-zero, so rank should be 2. Okay, now let us take a next example. Find the rank of a matrix. Let us see what matrix we have. Okay, so before we start finding the rank, let me tell you This is nothing but the notation of a matrix. This is a very rare notation of matrix. People use only the square bracket and the simple brackets, okay, that we have seen in the last example. This one. This is one notation. The another notation is square bracket, and this is the very rare notation one know about the matrices. Okay, so this is the matrix and we have to find out the rank of this matrix. Okay, so again the order of this matrix is 2 by 2. Okay, and we have to find out all the possible minors of this matrix. Okay, so the minors is of order 2, right? So now I want you to pause the video and find out all the possible minors of this matrix and tell me the rank. So just pause the video for a minute and just let me know the rank of this matrix. So I hope you have written all the possible minors. How many minors we have in this problem? 1, 2, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4, 8 and 2, 4, 4, 8. So how many minors? I hope you have also found out 3 minors. And what are the values you are getting? All the minors will have the values 0. Is it? So these are the 3 minors we have and all the minors are getting values 0. So what can you say about the rank of this matrix? As all the minors are 0, so rank of the matrix cannot be equal to 2. So what is the rank? Rank should be 0 or 1. But as we have already seen in a remark that rank of a matrix cannot be 0. Because 0 rank will be of matrix 0, but this is not a 0 matrix. So what is the rank of this matrix? Not 0, not 2. So rank of the matrix is 1. That's correct. Okay. I hope this example is clear to you. Now let us see the very next example. Find the rank of a matrix. So this is the third notation, square bracket. Within the square brackets, elements are written. Okay, so this is the matrix we have, A. Now we have to find out the rank of this matrix. Okay, so what we have to do? Look at the rank, look at the order. Order is 3 by 3. Now what do you have to find out? You have to find out the minor. And for this 3 by 3 matrix, what is the minor of highest order? The minor of order 3 will be there because the matrix is of 3 by 3. So let us find out the minor of order 3. Minor of order 3 is nothing but finding out the determinant of this matrix. So what is the determinant? Determinant is 0. Once we have taken a minor of order 3 and its value is 0. So what are the possibilities we have? We have 2 possibilities. Okay. Before making those 2 possibilities, the very first thing is rank of this given matrix cannot be equal to 0. So what are the possibilities we have? Either the rank of this matrix is 1 or the rank of this matrix would be 2. Okay. Rank of a matrix 3 is not possible. Why? Because the minor of order 3 is 0. So as rank of A equal to 3 is not possible, what we are going to do? We are going to find out the minors of order 2. And how many minors we want? We want only one minor which will gives you a non-zero value. So let us find out. Now let us see whether we get at least one non-zero minor of order 2. Back to the last slide. Okay, so this is the matrix. Now see here, if I take this matrix or minor of this matrix 3, 1, minus 2, 2. So what is the minor for this? 3 2s are 6 minus 2. So 6 minus of minus plus 2. So what will be getting? We are getting at least one minor whose value is non-zero. Is it? So we got a non-zero minor. Don't waste your time in finding all the minors. Okay? You have to take all the minors if the values are getting 0 and 0. And if you are getting one minor to be non-zero, that is well and good. Okay? That is what we want for the rank. So as you can see, the minor of order 2 is non-zero. So what is the rank of this matrix now? The rank of this matrix is 2. Why? Because we get the minor of order 2 non-zero. Right? Now you may arrive at a question like we have used minors to find out the rank of the matrix. Can we use elementary row transformation or elementary column transformation to find out the rank? Yes, one can use elementary row or column transformation to find out the rank. Okay. Now to see how to find out the rank of a matrix by elementary row transformations, click on the link given in the description where you can find a video in which we have used elementary row transformation to find out the rank of the given matrices. Okay, so I hope this video lecture is making sense. So thank you for watching this learning video and enjoy digital learning. Thank you.